Ladies and gentlemen, this is the unboxing video for the In Harmony Motorized Stand 360, the newest addition to our family as of today. And this is what your box is going to look like as it arrives. Mine came in from DHL. Keep in mind, it might be a little bashed, might be a little dented. That's quite all right. You're gonna cut off all of the support straps. And then once the support straps are cut, all of those will fall away, away, away. Lay this down on its back. Little by little with a sharp blade, you're going to cut away the corner reinforcements. And just make sure that we can get these off. Now, I'm not exactly sure which way this box is going to open. So we will cut away the corner restraints first. Some healthy reinforcements. All right. Some of the box has fallen apart. It is reinforced very, very well. And there we go. All right, so once we get everything open, on the inside, you're going to find everything that you need. Now, I'm going to shoot a separate setup video here in just a few moments. Power cables, covers for the top, wheels and casters, all of the different bolts that you're going to need, a base for the stand, arms, the power, all of this is here. And of course, we have our In Harmony rotating stand, and we're going to get this all set up. Goes through your parts list, your installation steps. It's pretty straightforward. Setup for me on the last one took about 20 minutes, but that's going to be a separate video. This is your unboxing video for expectations on what this is going to look like to just get the box unpacked and set up. So let's do that. Underneath here is a dog, and then that's my puppy. And then down here, we have the stand itself. All of this is pretty heavy. I'm gonna get a second set of hands to give me a hand. I could probably do it myself. Easy peasy. This is to protect the lining that goes around the inside. You can discard that unless you want to save it. The rest of this stuff is actually pretty straightforward to take out and take apart. There's different power access points. This is the controller. This is a remote. That is the power controller. This This is the rest of the base. In Harmony logo, branded, looking good. The rotating 360 head, the cover, very high quality. We'll unwrap all this stuff off camera, and then just making sure that we've got everything out. All right, nothing underneath. All right, so this is the unboxing video for the In Harmony red light motorized stand, our newest edition. This is the 360 stand. And off camera, I'm gonna get all of this unwrapped, and then we're gonna come back for our setup video. Thanks so much for taking a closer look.